Are you looking for the best running shoes for men? In this video we will look at some of best running shoes for men. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. OnCloud Surfer. A shoe that stands out for its comfort and innovative design, making it an excellent choice for runners looking for a cushioned yet responsive ride. Its standout feature is the Cloud Tech Phase midsole, which provides a soft, springy feel. With each step, it compresses and rebounds, offering great impact absorption while giving you energy return, resulting in a smooth and efficient running experience. The shoe's engineered mesh upper allows for better breathability and gives a secure, yet comfortable fit, perfect for long runs. Without the traditional speedboard, the OnCloud Surfer offers more flexibility, making it lighter while still providing enough support. The rocker-shaped midsole encourages a natural forward motion, helping improve your stride. Made with durable materials, including a tough rubber outsole and a reinforced midsole, the Cloud Surfer is built to handle long distances. Its mix of cushioning, responsiveness, and solid build quality makes it great for daily training or faster runs. Number 4. Adidas Supernova Rise. The Supernova Rise stands out for its exceptional comfort, making it a reliable choice for daily running. Its Dream Strike Plus midsole, crafted from Pebax-based foam, provides a cushioned yet moderately bouncy ride, especially in the heel, while the rockered forefoot design promotes smooth forward motion. The support rod system, a softer alternative to traditional carbon rods, enhances stability and creates a natural, controlled transition throughout the gait cycle. The engineered mesh upper ensures breathability and a snug fit, complemented by the comfort heel fit, which combines soft cushioning and secure support around the ankle. The durable Adiwear outsole offers reliable grip and longevity across various surfaces. While not the lightest shoe available, it strikes a balance between comfort and performance, excelling at easy paces but capable of handling some up-tempo efforts. With its high-quality materials and thoughtful design, this model is built for both durability and comfort. Number 3. Hoko 1 Clifton 9. The Clifton 9 excels with its exceptional cushioning, courtesy of a revamped compression-molded EVA midsole that is both softer and lighter than its predecessor. This foam provides a plush yet responsive feel, making it ideal for daily runs and recovery sessions. The shoe incorporates Hoka's signature meta-rocker design, which promotes smooth transitions and a natural forward motion during strides. Despite its maximalist cushioning, the Clifton 9 remains surprisingly lightweight, enhancing its versatility for various running paces. The upper is constructed from breathable recycled mesh material, offering a secure yet comfortable fit. Updates to the ankle collar and tongue improve heel lockdown without adding bulk. The outsole features added abrasion-resistant rubber, improving durability while maintaining flexibility. With a 5 mm drop and increased stack height, the Clifton 9 balances softness and energy return effectively. Number 2. ASICS Gel Cumulus 25. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its exceptional comfort, making it a reliable choice for daily training and long-distance runs. Featuring ASICS' updated Flight Foam Blast Plus midsole and pure gel technology, this shoe delivers a soft cushioned ride with excellent shock absorption. The midsole is thicker than previous iterations, providing a plush underfoot feel while maintaining a lightweight design. This combination ensures smooth transitions and reduces joint impact, making it ideal for easy runs and recovery sessions. The engineered mesh upper enhances breathability and adapts to foot movement, offering a secure yet flexible fit. The semi-gusseted tongue and padded heel collar contribute to a snug feel without causing irritation or slippage. Stability is another strong point, thanks to its wide base and well-designed outsole. High abrasion rubber in key areas ensures durability while exposed foam adds flexibility without compromising longevity. While the shoe excels on roads and light trails, its grip on wet or smooth surfaces could be improved. It's not designed for speed work but shines as an all-around trainer for neutral runners seeking comfort over propulsion. Number 1. Saucony Ride 17. These are the best running shoes you can buy on the market and impress with its updated Power Run Plus midsole, delivering a softer, more responsive ride compared to its predecessors. This foam strikes a balance between cushioning and bounce, making it versatile for both easy runs and up-tempo efforts. The shoe feels stable despite its neutral classification, thanks to a wider midsole base and increased torsional rigidity. These features ensure a secure ride without compromising comfort. The engineered mesh upper is lightweight and breathable with perforated side panels enhancing airflow, while the fit is generally true to size. The midfoot might require extra cinching for optimal lockdown. The gusseted tongue stays in place well, though it lacks a loop to prevent minor sliding. Heel lockdown is excellent, adding to the shoe's overall secure fit. Durability is another standout feature. The thick rubber outsole provides excellent protection against wear, though it can feel slightly firm on impact. The Power Run Plus foam resists compression over time, maintaining its plush feel for longer distances. Additionally, the thick insole adds an extra layer of cushioning directly underfoot. With its modernized ride and durability, the Ride 17 excels as a reliable daily trainer. Its balance of comfort, stability, and responsiveness makes it suitable for a variety of runs, from recovery jogs to moderate speed work. So that sums up my top 5 running shoes. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out.